Here is the Konica MR640 overall conditions. Okay, here is the battery compartment. So we need to use a coin or something to open it. Twist like that. Okay, then open it. And using one CR25, two CR5 battery. Sorry, yeah. Then we just put accordingly like that, and push it in and lock it like that. Next step is here, by pulling here to open the back cover. Inside will be like this. Okay, and here's the film. About the film, we need to push into it, this compartment, and pull the film tip to here, yeah, like that. Then actually here got the indicator sign lah, so you just pull until here will do. Then we just close it. When you close, make sure it's fully locked, because sometimes you might facing this. You thought you have locked it, but you didn't. So you need to press until it like that. It's locked. Next step is to click here to on it, and it will auto load. Okay. When here show figure 1, which means that now you can start shooting. Here is the shutter, and you can click this on off button for switching the mode. Then only you off it. Yeah. Here is the viewfinder. When you look into the viewfinder, at the center point there, got a circle. So you just use that circle to aim whatever you want to focus, and half press. Okay. If it doesn't blink, it light up like this, the green light means that it's okay to shoot. Then you just click it. Yeah, if it's blinking, means that it can't focus because it's too near. Just now I focus here, then only I put up. Yeah, then it will light up. If it's blinking, you cannot press the shutter, you see. Then when it doesn't blink, then only you can press the shutter. Okay, because it's to prevent you out of focus or something lah. Okay, and it's auto flash, but you can also force the flash or off the flash also lah. Then here's the tally and white button. When you click it, you see it will become tally, like zoom in lah. Okay, then zoom in also same, half press, and only you doesn't blink, then only you shoot. Okay. And this is auto flash, so because now the environment is very bright, so it won't trigger the flash unless when I check the, okay, I think here's the sensor. Yeah, you see it got a red light inside, means that now it will trigger the flash. Yeah. Here is the flash sensor, then here is the autofocus sensor. Yeah, so when the environment is bright enough, then it won't trigger the flash. Then we click again. Now it's on the flash, no matter what environment, it will on. It will fire the flash. Yeah, like that. This one is, then click again. This one is off the flash. And okay, if indoor you're using off flash mode, then you need to hold it properly. If not, the outcome will be blurred or something lah. Yeah. Then this one is timer. Okay, but the timer also same. Half press, doesn't blink, click it. Then here we have a red light light up, means that now it start counting. It took around 10 seconds like that. When it's almost there, it will start blinking. Yeah, like that. Okay, that should, yeah. Okay, then overall it's like this. And when you should finish, it will auto rewind, so no worry in using. And if you want to off it, you need to like click. Okay, it doesn't have any number, means that it's off already. You cannot press any shutter or anything else. Yeah. So overall it's like this. Hope you enjoy it.